Hello guys, this is Money Effects, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you the easiest way to find the best perfumes for free. As you know, there are a lot of perfume companies out there, some if not most of which are scam. I personally have gotten scammed by some of these perfumes. I have friends who've gotten scammed as well. Now, because I don't want you to get scammed by some of these fraudulent platforms, I'm going to be showing you a super incredible website where you can find legit trusted perfumes that suits your preference. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Now this is parfummerch.com. This platform is basically the go-to source for getting the best of the best offers from perfumes. Now if I go down a little bit, you're gonna see that they are affiliated with one of the most popular perfumes like My 500 Effects, like Blue Guardian, like 500 Pips, even FTMO. So they have a wide range of offers from different platforms. You can see right here, this is eMarket, this is Alpha Capital, this is Maven, this is Oanda, this is My 500 Futures. So basically, you don't have to go, to Google. You don't have to go to YouTube, to search for the best of the best perfumes out there. You can just come all the way to parfummatch.com and just search for the best offers from different perfumes. So the way it works is basically simple, right? So you come over to this place which says what plan do you want to compare. So we have forex, we have futures, we have stocks, we have crypto, we have indices. So just for the sake of example, let's choose forex. So you want to select your account size. So you can just select, let's say 100k, and you can go down to this place which says number of steps. So you can either choose an instant account, or you could choose a one-phase challenge account, or two-step phase challenge account, or 3 steps. And you can see here they have a discount. So the only benefit of coming to this platform is not just getting the best offers from perfumes. They also have discounts. So you apply discount and you click on the button which says search now. Now you can see right here that I have plethora of offers from different perfumes. So there are a lot of information, and you can see price right here. You can see the account size. You can see the profit split. You can see the profit target. You can see the max daily loss, the drawdown, the daily drawdown, the commission, the profit target, the payout, just basically every single information, right? Every single information. So they're actually gonna give you a lot of information, right? Even about the platform. So you can see this platform right here, E8. This platform is located in the United States, and you can see this platform right here. 5% is located in Israel and has been in the game for about 8 years now, because it was established in 2016. So you have a lot of informations, right? You have a lot of information. You are never gonna get any information like this on the internet. You're never gonna get any information like this on YouTube. This is where you come to whenever you want to get a profit. This is where I come to whenever I need a very good offers from profit. So basically, like I said, it's very simple to search for any perfumes you're looking for. So it doesn't only apply to forex, it also applies to futures, stocks, crypto, and indices. And we will have up to about, I think you have up to about 1 million perfume account. You even have about 2 million perfume account, and every single perfume platform that I show you in this site is very legit. Is very legit. So there's no risk of being scammed. There's no risk of maybe you pass your account and you didn't get paid out. No, every single perfume you see out here is legit. Every single perfume, every single perfume. So you can see this perfume FTMO. FTMO is a very popular perfume platform. It's been around since about 2015. That's about, I think, a decade. So all this perfume you see right here, every single perfume is legit. You can also see Fondness right here. I have about 2 accounts with Fondness. So every single platform right here is legit. Now there are also a lot of things you can check out about perfumes. You can check out offers. You can check out the best sellers. You can check out reviews from people who have actually gotten paid from this perfumes. You can check on the favorite firms. You can check on the perfume rules. So you don't have to go to every single perfume site just to check in the rules. You can just check all the rules right in this site. And you can also check the perfumes, because there are some perfumes that do not allow high impact news. So you can just click on this button right here, check which perfume allows and which perfume does not allow high impact news. You can also check on the awards. So let me just click on this button right here which says awards 2024. So basically every single year this platform Parfummerch always award the best platforms. So these are the list of the platforms that won the last year award. You can see 5%ers. All these platforms are very popular platforms. You can see 5%ers, EA, Top Steps, and you can see why they won the award, right? You can see why they won the award. So it says with an average rating of 4.9 from different 194 verified reviews. So these are people who've actually gotten paid out by EA Markets. Okay, you can also see right here it says with an average rating of 4.8 from 627 verified reviews. So this top number one because they have the best trading conditions. This top number two because they are the most user-friendly platform. And this top number three because they are the highest rated futures platform. So if I scroll down a little bit, the fourth winner as the most popular crypto platform. So basically the point I'm trying to make here is this platform has the most legit platform out there. So there's no risk of fraud, there's no risk of scam. As you can see for yourself, even platform itself is a very, very valued website. They have about 4.9 ratings on Trustpilot. So I'm going to be leaving the link of this website in the description below. If you have any question, you can ask in the comment. I'm going to be sure to reply. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe so you can get more content like this in the future. And if you find this video really helpful, please do like this video. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video.